All right, it's the next day. I'm gonna get to work on this again. I want to try and get this running in the next day or two. So if I can get the cams and all the timing and stuff done, then it's pretty much ready to put in the car. So my goal is to get the cams and all that stuff done. My buddy Shannon, who took it apart, he labeled everything. So all the buckets are all labeled, so it should be pretty easy to put together. Yeah, that's how I left it yesterday. Man, those heads look so dirty in comparison. Whatever. Well, Jack stopped by and sidetracked me from filming, but I got the passenger side cams on, valve cover on. I gotta put the O-rings and covers back on it yet, but gonna do the driver's side now. That way it's all good to basically wrap this up. And yeah, should be good. I wanna get it in the car. Well, I can't go much farther. I didn't realize this ABCS solenoid was broken, so I gotta get a new one. Alright, so I found out that the whole housing comes with the solenoid, so that's easy enough to do in the car once it's all done. It's just these 4 bolts right here, so I'm gonna continue getting the cams and everything and all the timing and shit done. That way we can plop it in the car and then just have to swap this guy on. But yeah, it shouldn't be too bad. Alright, so it's been, I don't know, a couple weeks since I worked on this stuff, but I need to get this thing running. I might actually have it sold already, So I kind of gotta jump on it, but hopefully tonight I can at least get that in there. I got a couple odds and ends I gotta do. I gotta put the knock sensor on, gotta put the clutch on, do a couple little things like that, and then we can get it in. If we can get it in, it's not much more work to get it running, but be honest, motivation's been low with everything on cars lately, so yeah, I'm just gonna kind of take it as it is. Well, I've got everything on it I need to put it in, so I'm gonna get the clutch fork and throttle bearing positioned correctly, swing this out, get the jack underneath the trans, and slide in. It's gonna be a little bit of a pain in the ass by myself, but not the worst in the world. I've done 100 of these at this point. All right, well, the engine's in there. I don't know how well I documented it, but it's in there. So I'm gonna finish doing the bell housing bolts and put the starter, the pitch mount in, and then turbo and probably the air intake pipe or the air injection pipes and do all that shit. And just kind of work my way to the intake, radiator, and pretty much should be done by then. So I'm gonna try and get it done tonight. I'm kind of in a mood, so I'm just gonna go with it, but well, that's the last big piece that really has to go on. I'm gonna throw the intake manifold on. Wow, I might put the alternator. I haven't decided yet, but yeah, intake manifold's gonna go on. And alternator, power steering, AC, radiator fluids, and we should be good to go. Okay. I was gonna stop at midnight, but we're so close. I just got intercooler, fluids, radiator, airbox. That should start. So I'm just gonna push through. Fuck it. I'm already here. And done. Now I'm playing. So I'm gonna try starting it up here in a second. I gotta put like a battery in it, and It'll probably take a few times cranking. If you know anything about Subarus, they don't like to start after the battery's been disconnected. But yeah, we'll start it up, let it run for like 10 seconds. I'll probably shut it off and come back tomorrow. Like I said, it's like midnight, so. All right. I'll have to deal with that tomorrow.